Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is very informative and I hope you enjoy watching. So today I want to talk about portable power stations, and I would like to thank and give a big shout out to ALLPOWERS.com for sending me their R1500 Lite power station. So let's have a closer look at it and see what it can do and what it can't do. So as you can see, it's quite compact. It's not too big, but it's not too small either. Also, it weighs 15 kilograms. It has a host of features, and I shall zoom in and I shall show you. Here we have 12-volt port, 2 USB-A's at 18 watts, also 2 USB-C's at 100 watts, and we have 4 AC outputs of your 230 to 240 volt appliances. On the side we have the charging port for AC charging. We have an overload protection button, and also there's a plug there for solar, which will charge this power station, or it can be charged via a 12-volt source, which I find is very, very good. So there it is. That is the R1500 Lite portable power station by ALLPOWERS.com. I have had this apart, I have given it a good inspection, and to be quite fair, it's very well made, it's very well built, and I cannot fault it. All the boards and the chips inside this are made by ALLPOWERS. They make their own circuit boards. It is rated at 1600 watts. It peaks out at 3200 watts. So you've got loads of power on your fingertips, even if you're camping, if you've got a tent box and you need some power. I would grab one of these. Let's give it a test. I've got a coffee machine here, which is, I think that's 1000 watts. I'm not going to make a coffee because I've got no pods, but let's just run through and let's see what it uses. So the on-off button is there. As she's powered up, as you can see, there's 93% battery. Let me just zoom in. So there's nothing going out, there's nothing coming in, there's nothing going out. I have 13 days left on the battery. These take normal UK 3-pin plugs, and there, as you can see, there is 4 of them. So I'm going to plug the coffee machine in. I'm just going to give it a run through, and let's just see what it uses. So she's all plugged in. Let's run through I'm not going to make a coffee, I'm just going to run the water through, and let's just see how much it takes. So we power it on. 943 watts. It will go up. 1024 watts, 1372. Now it's 1479. It's 1578. And as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. 1567 watts. And it's saying if I continuously run this, I've got 36 minutes left. It's dropped down to 89%. And now the wattage is dropping down, 823. So there you go. In less than 1 minute, you could have yourself a coffee. So there you have it, folks. You can run a coffee machine, you can run, I don't know, a toasty machine, you can run if you've got corded power tools, if you're building a van or you need power tools outside and they're corded, as long as they're below 1600 watts, this power station will happily run them. The added bonus is you can charge it via solar, which this is your cable. That is the input side. These MC4 connectors already on your cable, which will attach to the solar panels, which are there. There's 2 foldable panels, and they come with this power station. Those are portable 100-watt panels. I think that is fantastic. It comes with everything you need to have power on the move. Also, what I would like to add about this power station is that there is an app. You can download the app to your phone or your laptop, and you can control it from the app. It's there for Android and iOS. So that's another good feature of this power station. It also supports Bluetooth and also supports Wi-Fi and UPS, uninterrupted power supply. So yeah, if you're interested, click the link. I shall leave the link. Get yourself 10% off. Go to allpowers.com. It'll take you directly there. Grab yourself a bargain. This little power station packs a punch. So there you have it. That is the ALLPOWERS portable power station R1500 Lite. The only thing you cannot do with this power station is you cannot add any more batteries to it, whereas you can do on the R1600. That doesn't really bother me. This little power station will do me for what I need in my campervan off-grid. I do have solar on my roof, so that's not an issue. I've got leisure battery, I've got an electrical system. This, I am going to research, and I'm going to try, fingers crossed that I can do it, and link it up to a DC to DC charger, or charge it up via my own solar panels on the roof. And then when I'm outside of the van, I can use this 100-watt panel here. Very, very portable, very, very good idea. I cannot fault it for what I need at the moment until I upgrade to a bigger model. This will do me absolutely fine. You can run a coffee machine, you know, your power tools, a sandwich maker. You could get a low wattage microwave. The list is endless. So I'm going to leave a link down here somewhere. Get 10% off by clicking my link. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, and please subscribe to my channel for more in-depth videos, which will be coming very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.